These fires are being fueled by winds reaching up to 93 miles per hour over the weekend. Now turning to our local weather here in the Ozarks, Jamie, we are facing some chilly nights as we get closer to Halloween.
And I'm sure the folks in California would love to have the kind of weather that we've got today even. The cool and damp conditions that would go a long way in helping the firefighters tame those wildfires. Locally, it has been sort of an interesting day. We've had a cold front draped along the I-44 corridor. And that has really made all the difference as to what kind of weather you've got in your neighborhood. If you live north of I-44, it has tended to be a colder and cloudier day than areas to the south of I-44, south of this warm front. Here in Springfield, we've been right on the line. It was cool and damp when we were on the north side of that front earlier this morning, and then we found those winds shifting to a more southeasterly direction this afternoon. We even had some breaks in the clouds, and temperatures popped up into the low 60s, which is where we are right now. 61 in Springfield, but just up the road in Clinton it is 43, and then west down I-44 over in Joplin it is currently 46 degrees. These mild readings that we've got on the map right now over southern Missouri and in northern Arkansas, if you're enjoying that right now, please continue to do so, because we have got colder air that's going to be spilling in overnight tonight, and it looks like a cold, wet stretch of weather ahead through much of the rest of this week. Now, right now, we've got an area of precipitation breaking out here west of I-49. This is a chunk of upper level energy that's really going to help to push this cold front along overnight tonight, southeast through the area. And as that front is moving through, as this wave of low pressure moves up the front, we should see an area of light rain and drizzle move across the area from west to east this evening. Tomorrow morning, I think we wake up to just cloudy and cold conditions, but another wave of showers will arrive during the afternoon, spreading in from the southwest. And this is going to be a more prolonged period of wet weather once those showers arrive Thursday afternoon that will continue, or Tuesday afternoon, I should say, that will continue through Tuesday night, Wednesday, and Wednesday night. And that may wrap up with a chance at some snow flurries. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. Again, overnight tonight, you can see how the rain sets up early this evening, and then that band of light rain will spread east across the area, tapering off to just some drizzle, I think, by midnight. And by morning, we should be done with the precipitation, but it will be cold and cloudy and damp across the area. There could be a few breaks in the clouds here, especially north and east of Springfield as we work toward early afternoon on Tuesday, but the clouds will take it back up and more showers spread in from the southwest during the afternoon hours. Temperatures tonight will settle into the upper 30s north to low 40s south. I think here in Springfield we're looking at a low of about 38 degrees with a high tomorrow of about 45. Winds breezy out of the northeast at 5 to 15 miles per hour. The second storm out of this two-storm scenario that we're looking at will move through during the midweek time frame. This is what it will look like as we work through Tuesday into Wednesday. You can see how the rain kind of settles in across the area, and we'll find on and off showers throughout the day on Wednesday. We should see a more steady bout of rain overnight Wednesday night. And then as colder air is coming in and the precipitation's moving out, there's probably going to be a changeover to some very light snow or snow flurries, especially near and north of the interstate. Very early Thursday morning, that should shut down, and we should see clearing skies as we work through Thursday afternoon. And that means clear skies for trick-or-treaters, but we can't do anything about the cold. Yes, it'll be dry, but temperatures are going to be sliding through the 30s down to around 32 degrees by 8 o'clock. It looks like when all is said and done, this will be the coldest Halloween since 1993, and it could be a top 5 coldest Halloween on record for our area. Looking at temperatures, though, heading back the other way on Friday after our first killing freeze of this season, first hard freeze. Temperatures do climb back into the upper 50s by Sunday and low 60s by Monday. So there will be a warming trend over the weekend. Another thing to keep in mind, too, is we fall back this weekend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's a good reminder.
A lot of folks don't really like that, but that's what's going to happen.
Yeah, that's true. The coldest Halloween in more than 25 years.
Since 1993.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Snow flurries? You're already talking about snow flurries, Jamie?
We had some, you know, with the cold that we had in 93, if I remember correctly, we had some snow with that one, too. So.
Okay. How about our Viewers Club number?
Number tonight is 139522, jackpot $800.
All right, Jamie, thanks. Well, on the way, the Better Business Bureau is sending out a warning tonight about